Good afternoon, fellow traders. Welcome back to the channel once again. It's taking me a while to update you because I was trying to resolve an issue with TPT, and this is to warn oil traders for you to understand how corrupt some of these prop firms are. So I showed you this January was a good. So by 5th of January, I have passed 300,000 funded, and I was expecting to the contract was given to me. I signed everything up, and it was good. So I was expecting to get everything okay and start trading live. And I signed the contract. They brought me certificate of everything, and the contract wasn't coming. The login credentials for my live account wasn't coming, and the market was moving. So I contacted TPT and I said, "Hey TPT, what's happening? I haven't had my login details." I contacted them for first day, second day, third day. So on the fourth day, they replied to me and said, "I have cheated because my entries were previous day. If you ever trade the market before, I'll show you. I showed you my account history. You can see, as I explained before, I was doing high scalping, fast scalping. So I normally don't use stop loss. I said because I go in and out, and I'm not a market maker. As you can see, I took some big losses here and stuff, and I made some big profit as well. They claim that, you see, this entry, this is my open price. So they claim that the open prices that I have used to enter are previous day price, and therefore they cannot fund me. So my account is invalid. So if you ever traded before and you are a trader, ask yourself, how can you have an open price that reflects the previous day price? Okay, let me give you an example. This is the bid and this is the ask price. So whenever the market opens and you place a trade, either buy or sell, that means that it is valid because the broker is going to accept it. So how can you possibly manipulate the market and use previous day price? Don't forget, okay, don't forget that whoever has traded before, if you understand trading, you will know that the markets the market maker can gap market up or down anytime. And if you are in a buy position and they gap the markets down, if you are in the buy position and they gap the market down, that goes in your favor. If you are in a buy sell position and they gap the market down, that goes in your favor. Sorry. And if you are in a buy position and they gap the market up, that goes in your favor. But if you trade in the opposite, which has happened to me a lot of times, that you be in a trade or the market opens and immediately you place a trade, then the market may go gap the market up or gap the market down. They claim if this happens also on your trades, that is you are taking advantage of market vulnerability, and you are manipulating the market and a whole lot of nonsense, my dear friends. So be careful with some of this. So I have tried to resolve them with them for them to give me my account, because as you know, you can see I have never ever cheated, and if anybody who trades knows. And this is, I was doing scalping a lot because I want to use this to pass my account, and once I pass my challenge, I reverse back to my normal trading. And this is what I have used to pass all those accounts that I have been trading, because I trade really in, that the market moves really fast. one minute you can be in good profit, and the next minute you'll be in good losses. So it's really, really strange and laughable, because I showed this to my broker, and my broker was laughing. He said, these people have no idea what they are talking about. You are not a market maker, okay? You are not you are trading. So if you are in a trade and the market gaps up and 30 pips and you are in buy, you benefit. If the market gaps down and you are in sell, you get. This is what the market maker decides. At any point in time, the market maker will decide whether to gap the market up or to gap the market down. So they claim that I use deceitful method in gaining unfair advantage, and a whole lot of things. So I have reported them to the Australian Security and Exchange Commission, since, and the Fair Wage Commission, since they decided they are not going to give me my funded account, or give me the account to redo it and stuff. So I have to do what I have to do. And also it has come to my notice that, and I've seen from friends who have shown me that they've refused to pay them after they claim they violated a rule, lot size or copy trading rule. And they point to them that some of them violated the rule 2 days into trading, 3 days into trading. Yes, still, because they were making huge profit, they have allowed them to trade, made 50,000 profit, 60,000 profit, 70,000 profit, 50,000, 40,000, 30,000, and they've decided not to pay them. But even if you violate a rule, it is the account that you lose. But the money that you have made, who is going to keep it? So you've made 60,000, and your 80% is 48,000 payout. Yes, you have violated maybe lot size rule. Let's assume you've violated the lot size rule. It is the account that you lose. But for me personally, if I own a prop firm, I wouldn't take away a trader's profit. So yes, you've made 60,000 for the company. They keep 20%, and you keep your 80%, and say you violated this rule. Therefore, we've taken the account, and you need to do the challenge again. That is fair, because others do it. So please be careful, be mindful the type of companies that you go. People talk a whole lot about companies, and I'm not going to work with them until they do good rules, which is good for them and good for everybody. Other than that, they're going to lose a lot of customers, because this is why also I do not recommend. You see, somebody will ask, oh, which pro firm should I use? I can't recommend any pro firm to anybody because of things like this. If you go in and bad pro firms like this try to rip you off, and some of you are not brave enough to report to the authorities, you're going to blame me, because you might think, oh, maybe since I reported to them, or since I recommended them, probably I'm gaining something financially from them. No, that is why I don't do. I ask always do your due diligence. And thanks to everybody who takes their time to watch my videos and give me likes and stuff like that. We'll keep growing together, and we'll keep doing until we have a very good ones like FTMO, which I believe they are good, and TFT, which I believe they are good. I've looked at their rules. They don't have any lot size restrictions. You can keep trades over weekend. You can hold your trades, Excel and stuff like that. That's pretty dope. That's pretty good. These are the people that I want to work with, people that want to go, people that want to do more things and stuff like that. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll update you and I'll see what happens. But be careful with TPT. Yes, they will show you they've paid people and stuff, but that doesn't exonerate them from the wrongs that they've done to people. They've paid 2.8 million last year, but how much have they? And they've kept also hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not million, from giving it to people who work hard tirelessly day and night to make those money. That is not good. And things like this, accusing good traders who make good money on scalping and say, oh, you are doing high frequency trading, so high frequency trading is not allowed. Okay, you're doing high frequency trading and stuff like that. Hey, we look at the loss that I took here. I understand this is going in and out for 1 minute or 2 minutes or 3 minutes, then you are out and stuff. It's because the market moves really quick and you can get burned. But I know my market, and this is how I like to pass, because I want to pass quickly, I want to get funded, and I know that there is money coming in and stuff like that. But I I don't own the brokerage. I don't own the broker. So if you accuse me of stealing, or accuse me of manipulating the market, or accuse me of using previous days prices, the US market just opened, and as once the market is open, the price you see, bid and ask price, they are valid. So if a trader comes in and go buy or go sell, and they close their trade, and you tell them that is previous day price, I don't know whether you should be allowed to have a prop firm or not. So this is what it is. I'll speak to you another time. Thank you, and good luck, and see you soon. Just be wary of the prop trading firm in Australia. Thank you, and enjoy your week.